Hello, welcome to this lesson on market failure. Let's go over a few key terms. MPB, that's the marginal private benefit. MPC, that is the marginal private cost. This is just the benefits and the cost for that item in the private market. Then you have MSB, which is marginal social benefit, and MSC, that's the marginal social cost. These are the additional benefits and costs for all of society, not just for the market. To get up all of society's benefits and all of society's costs, you just add up all of the individual ones. So if person one has an additional benefit of five and person two has an additional benefit of four, then the marginal social benefit, assuming they're the only two people in society, will be five from person one and four from person two, which would give us a marginal social benefit of nine for that one. You would do something similar to get the marginal social cost. Sometimes the private market, which is the private benefit and the private cost, does not represent the social benefits and costs to the rest of society. This will lead to something called market failure, where the market does not represent the social benefits and the social costs. So, for society, if the marginal social benefit is greater than the marginal social cost, society needs more of it. They're underproducing that specific item. If the marginal social benefit is equal to the marginal social cost, then society has exactly the right amount of that item. That's the socially optimal amount. If the marginal social benefit is less than the marginal social cost, then society needs less of the item. They're currently overproducing, they need less of it. Market failures might cause private markets to produce more, like overproduce, or less, they might underproduce than what society wants due to things like imperfectly competitive markets, like a monopoly, external effects, which are externalities, income inequality, different types of goods like public versus private versus common goods, imperfect information, and increased risk taking like moral hazard. That's all for this lesson. See you next time.